Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am super behind. This video is going up late Thursday or potentially even Friday, and I was planning on filming it and posting it on Monday, but today we're going through all of the current spoilers and choice items for this is October, so this is for the November Boxycharm base and premium boxes. So we're going to unload all of the choice items, every current spoiler we know, my recommendations if you haven't done your choices yet on what I think will be the most worth it, which product from each line I like most, and a lot of them I'm actually quite familiar with, so you're going to get an in-depth review to kind of help your choices. And for those of you who don't get Boxycharm and you're just interested in what the items are, we're going to jump into all of it. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the video with me, stay tuned. So I have my notes right in front of me. I do want to open by saying that Boxycharm raised their prices. This is a whole big announcement. Everything happened. I'm going to link a video up here with all of the information on the price increase. Premium is going from $35 to $39.99. Luxe is going from $50 to $59.99. Base is staying at $25 though. So when we talk about the price of the box and the value of the box, I'm going to be using the new prices. I also am going to have a video up there about the new drop shop and all of the new updates to Boxycharm. So there's two videos up in that little eye in the top corner. If you have any questions on those, that'll be up there. And we're going to jump right into the spoilers. So I'm going to start with the base box. And, oh, I have a cat. Hi, Mac. So first and foremost, in the base box, there is one spoiler line, and there are three items to choose from. It is the Tristique Foundation Stick, the Luxie Pour La Noche Brush Trio, and the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. Now, Tristique is a brand that we've received in Boxycharm several times, and without sounding harsh, I have yet to find a product in their line that I like. Hi. I just typically don't enjoy their products. I used their contour stick a while back, and it just wasn't a great formula. The 2-in-1 mascara, I didn't love. The liner, they had a cream and gel liner that we got. I've just yet to find something I like. So if I get it, I will be putting it to the test. But based on preconceived notions, it is not a product I'm even remotely interested in trying. As for the Luxie brush set, I have every single Luxie brush for the most part. Most of I've either received in Boxycharm or through Luxie PR. They are a very high quality brush. I think that they're fantastic. There's nothing wrong with the brushes. I do love getting tools in Boxycharm, so this is probably going to be the item I would be most excited to get. He's going to do this the entire video. I'm going to take him, I'm going to put him down, and he's going to do another lap. Sorry about that. The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser I think is a good option, especially because it's a little more of a hydrating and nourishing moisturizer compared to like the Exfoliate, which is much more exfoliating. I would be happy with either of those. I really don't want the Tristique, but if I do get it, I'll definitely be excited to try it out for you guys, because I know that you all like to see me try the makeup products, but just based on what I've used in the past, definitely not something I'm interested in. I told you, this is going to be all video. He's going to do laps and start over here. I'm going to put him on the floor, and he's going to come up behind me. Hi. I'm just here. You sit here so I can film. So moving on to the premium box. I'm sorry, I have a cat now and he doesn't want to leave. There are two spoiler lines, each with two items. What I do like about this is that they did switch the combination of products. So instead of it being some makeup and skincare in each category, they are a makeup variation and a skincare variation. Is this as distracting for you guys as it is for me? The two items in the makeup variation are going to be the Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 Eyeshadow Palette and the KVD Beauty, which formerly Kat Von D, Lock-It Foundation Powder. Now the foundation comes in online on Sephora. It says 18 different shades, but on the Boxycharm website, it said that there were 26 different variations. So I'm not sure what shades are added and what aren't, or maybe there's some setting powders in there. I'm not sure. I've played with this in the past. I don't dislike the formula, but I have so many powder foundations that I would probably be more interested in the eyeshadow palette. But again, I have so many eyeshadow palettes that really it's kind of a hit or miss. I'd be happy with either one because I'll get to play with it for you all, but I don't really have anything strongly pulling me in one direction. Now, the other premium box spoilers are going to be the Nude Skin by Nude Sticks Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel, which is an exfoliating face mask, and the Sutra Beauty Rejuvenating Hair Serum. Now, I love a good hair serum. I actually posted on Instagram one the other day that I'm really liking. really, I'm really into hair care lately. So of the two items, I'm probably leaning a little bit more towards the hair serum. However, I do love a good chemical exfoliator. So a Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel could be amazing. I'm currently loving the Caudalie masks. So they have a glycolic peel mask that is fantastic. I personally am liking that one, but if I get this, I will be happy to try that as well. While we are on the subject of exfoliation, Saturday Skin sent me a few of their products, and they sent me another of their Rub-A-Dub exfoliator. This is my go-to exfoliator for anybody who's dry-skinned. I keep it in my makeup kit because I like to do this as a treatment before I do makeup for somebody who's a little more on the dry side. It is an amazing product. They sent this to me along with their Carrot and Niacinamide Moisturizing Cream and their Vitamin C Yuzu Eye Cream. The eye cream I didn't particularly love. I think I just really love the Caudalie one I'm using, and not to like keep reiterating the same brand, but it is a product I'm really enjoying. As for the moisturizer, I do love niacinamide because it helps to improve glow, refine the pores, and I'm really happy with it. But of the three items they sent me, it is the Rub-A-Dub facial that I think is the most like holy grail status. So because I've been playing around with that again and I'm using the Caudalie mask, definitely going to be more interested in that hair serum over the other option. Now that being said, I'm not mad at any of these things. I think one thing I have to keep in mind is the fact that currently everybody's getting excited for holiday, so December I expect a really nice box. So the box before a Luxe box always tends to be a little bit on the lackluster side, if I'm being honest. But that's just me. You know, we had a takeover box last month or 2 months ago from Anastasia. This month we had some really good products and I was very happy with them. But I think the November boxes are going to be okay, but it's the December ones that I'm really excited for. Now, one other thing that they have is if you are not a subscriber, there are free gift offers where you can either get a Pharmacy Whipped Greens Cleanser, which I absolutely love, the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette, which I have not used, or the True Luscious Lucky Glow Palette, which I also really liked. You'll also get a $10 credit in the October add-on store, which will become the drop shop in November. So if you are not a subscriber and you're interested in subscribing, those are the free gifts you can get. I do have a link in my description box to subscribe to Boxycharm. It is an affiliate link. I do make a small commission if you subscribe using that link, so feel free to use that if you're looking to sign up. You will also get one of these honestly awesome products. The Whipped Greens Cleanser is one of my favorites. And again, getting $10 off of the Drop Shop add-on store is always a good thing. Now, as always, I would love to hear your opinions down below. Which item from each line are you most interested in? Just to reiterate, for the base line, I'm going to choose the Luxie brushes personally. Not that I get a choice. Boxy sends me PR, so I don't actually get to choose, but I do like to do this with you to let you know what I would pick if I could. With the powder foundation and the palette, I would probably lean towards picking the palette, but honestly, it's kind of a wash either way. I'm not really strongly pulled in either direction. And with the skincare variation, I would probably pick the serum, even though I'm actually interested to try both. So those are my thoughts. Let me know yours down below. I would love to hear them, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.